Stateless. When you begin a timed session, you must keep typing. If you stop more than 5 seconds, all your text will disappear. This feature aims to trigger a flow, a highly focused mental state. And so here is how it works. If you go to Stateless, you can see the settings icon. Click the settings icon. Now configure your session length. It could be 60 minutes or 105 or 180. Okay, let's choose 25 and then execute the timeout 7 seconds. Okay, save settings and start 25-minute session. I should type and keep typing. I just simply introduce myself. Hello, everyone. My name is Ibrahim. As you can see on the right side, there's the characters and the words. I do computer science at New Uzbekistan University. What else? I build things and make content about it. Okay, during my time at New Uzbekistan University, I did. Okay, let's stop and let's see. We can literally copy and see the character count and the words. Our text disappeared. It's annoying, it's strange, terrifying, it's risky, and it's strangely effective. You need just keep typing, producing the keystrokes, put your hands on the keyboard, just keep typing. Try it out, let me know what you think, what your thoughts. Let's see ya.